నమస్తే టీవీ2 తెలంగాణ వార్తలకి స్వాగతం. ఐశ్వర్య నియోజకవర్గం మీర్పేటలోని సత్యం ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ చైర్మన్ సత్యనారాయణ, కరెస్పాండెంట్ రవిదేవి, అకాడమిక్ డైరెక్టర్ తేజశ్రీ సిరి గారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో స్కూల్ ఆవరణలో శనివారం విద్యార్థుల మేధస్సుకు పదును పెట్టే విధంగా నిర్వహించిన ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఫెయిర్ 2026 అట్టహాసంగా జరిగింది. విద్యార్థుల్లో దాగి ఉన్న సృజనాత్మకతను వెలికి తీసేందుకు ఏర్పాటు చేసిన ఈ ప్రదర్శన సందర్శకులను విశేషంగా ఆకట్టుకుంది. విద్యార్థులు పర్యావరణ పరిరక్షణ, సౌరశక్తి వినియోగం, రోబోటిక్స్, ఆధునిక సాగు పద్ధతులపై అద్భుతమైన వర్కింగ్ మోడల్స్ ను ప్రదర్శించారు.
Organized such a big event, such a Edu Fair in this locality, and we are very much thankful to all parents who visited the stalls and make the children to improve their communication skills and the ability of doing the projects also. Even I have visited many projects and I asked questions, so they replied very well, and they get some new, they will be getting new things also, thoughts also in this. Thank you all for supporting Satyam International School for the last 25 years in this locality. Thank you all parents. Thank you very much.
Satyam Edu Fair 2026 has begun today in a grand way. So many students have participated in this Edu Fair. Models have included from all the subjects, basically focusing on robotics and artificial intelligence. So I congratulate all the students and our teachers and the parents also who have supported in making the event a grand success. So Satyam has been providing the foundation in robotics and this artificial intelligence right from the young age. So there are many young innovators in our school who are presenting the projects. You can see the models also. They have worked so hard from last 10 days in presenting these models. So these this science fair will really help the students in enhancing their logical thinking and bringing out the creativity, as well as builds the teamwork. So I would really appreciate all the students once again. So thank you so much for making Satyam Edu Fair 2026 a grand success.
So from how many years you are continuing this? Okay.
From the school inception, sir. The school has been founded in the year 2003. So almost like 23 years now. So from the very beginning, we have been encouraging the students to organize this Edu Fair. And every year they come up with some of the other models that will enhance their their speaking skills also.
So like as we observe that Operation Sindoor, it was an excellent
right.
operation. So how you feel it?
It's an amazing project, sir. So for Operation Sindoor project, we have been working from last 1 month, I would say. So apart from the working hours also, our teachers have cooperated so much in bringing out the reality of this project. So proudly I would like to tell that yesterday we have presented in Rashtrapati Nilayam, and there were many judges and visitors who have applauded the project. Hope we'll be expecting the award from Rashtrapati Nilayam as well.
And previously you would have received an award for the robotic, I think.
Yes, sir.
So how are you feeling?
It's amazing, sir. So in and around area, that I would like to proudly I would say that Satyam is best in providing this. Will definitely identify the hidden talents in all the students, young children, and bring out from their comfort zone and let them explore in each and every manner, so that that will really help them out when they go to their grad level or while they are doing some job or so also. So there are many alumni who really come and meet us, and they thank us for providing such a good foundation here in our school.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, one more co-director is here, Sri Madam. So you would like to know how you are feeling now?
So, as Madam already told, Satyam is different. So, unlike any other, traditional teaching methodologies, we try to give up integrated curriculum to all the students. So, which will enhance students in upskilling themselves. So, if you look at the society today, technology is everywhere,
yes.
And they cannot go away from technology. So it's very much important that right from young age we give them that platform. So if you look at the science fair today, we have students participating right from pre-KG. So no matter whatever project they do, they come forward, they explain it well, they take the questions, so that helps them in boosting their confidence. And if you look at all the projects, you can even look at the robotics projects. So we have robotic curriculums to our higher grade students, and we also have Python programming. So this helps students to keep themselves updated with the trend. So looking forward to visit all the projects over here, and I really thank all the students, our staff especially. They have been working really hard to get all these skills out of out of the students, and also the parents. So Satyam parents, they have always been very supportive for us, and we are looking forward to implement few other programs as well here at the organization. And one other point that I would like to highlight here is that apart from academics, co-curriculars, we also have very good extracurriculars. So even in the last couple of days, our students have visited state level and mandal level competitions where they have got their medals as well. So there is no other go. So Satyam is an all-round developmental organization where your students will get to experience everything. So that's why we call it here East Corner Satyam is the best, and we would like to get the best out of our children. That is our main motive.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.